Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For who doesn't know me, I'm Chef Francesco Cavazzina, and here in my channel I'm sharing tips of Italian cuisine. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. Today we are going to do torta salata or Savory cake. I hope you guys will enjoy. So let's get started. For the dough, you will need 600 grams of flour, 350 ml of water, 35 ml of extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients until uniform consistency. When your dough is ready, divide in 4 parts. 2 of 180 grams and 2 of 300 grams. Now make the dough balls. And keep covered for 1 hour at room temperature. For the filling, you will need 1.5 kg spinach, 400 grams of asparagus, half onion, 40 grams of pine nuts, 30 grams golden raisin, 500 grams ricotta cheese, 12 eggs, and 200 grams Grana Padano. Chop the onion and start to sweat in a pan with olive oil. Then add the spinach and cook it together. And don't forget to add the salt and finish to cook for 1-2 minutes. Strain the spinach from the water and keep aside for cooling. Separately, pan-sear the asparagus. Then cool down and slice it. After that, chop also the spinach. Put the ricotta cheese into a big bowl. Then add the eggs and mix it together. Add all the rest of the ingredients: spinach, asparagus, pine nuts, golden raisin. If you like, you can add nutmeg powder. I really like these ingredients. Pepper, a pinch of salt. In the end, Grana Padano cheese. Now, after mixing all the ingredients together, your filling is ready. By this time, your dough will be ready. Then take the big one and open it up with a rolling pin. Take a cake pan, put inside the baking paper and brush it with some olive oil. Then put on top your first layer of dough and brush it with the olive oil. Add the second layer of the dough and then add the filling. On top of the filling, make a holes with a spoon and place inside the egg yolks. At the end, cover it with egg whites, a pinch of salt and grated Grana Padano cheese. Close the cake with the double layers of the smaller dough. Fold the edges of the cake and brush again with olive oil. Then place in the oven on the lower rack and cook 1 hour at 180 degrees. Our torta salata is ready. If you like this video, smash the like button and leave your comment below. And subscribe if you want to see more videos about Italian cuisine. Buon appetito!